Here is a beginner-level digital marketing manager quiz that covers search engine optimization, SEO, search engine marketing, SEM, and paid ads, and social media marketing, SMM. Let's go! Question 1. What is the primary goal of SEO? A. To increase website visibility on search engines. B. To generate revenue directly from ads. C. To create engaging social media content. And D. To increase brand awareness through paid ads. Answer: to increase website visibility on search engines. Question 2. Which factor is not a ranking factor for SEO? A. Website speed. B. Number of social media followers. C. Backlinks from authoritative sites. And D. Mobile friendliness. Answer: number of social media followers. Question 3. What does on-page SEO focus on? A. Optimizing social media ads. B. Running paid search campaigns. C. Building external backlinks. And D. Improving website content and HTML elements. Answer: improving website content and HTML elements. Question 4. Which of these is an example of an off-page SEO strategy? A. Optimizing title tags and meta descriptions. B. Creating internal links. C. Acquiring backlinks from other websites. And D. Using keywords in image alt text. Answer: acquiring backlinks from other websites. Question 5. What is the purpose of a robots.txt file in SEO? A. To improve website speed. B. To restrict search engines from crawling certain pages. C. To generate more organic traffic. And D. To increase domain authority. Answer: to restrict search engines from crawling certain pages. Question 6. What is pay-per-click (PPC) advertising? A. A method where advertisers pay only when their ad is clicked. B. A type of free digital marketing strategy. C. A social media marketing technique. And D. A way to increase email open rates. Answer: a method where advertisers pay only when their ad is clicked. Question 7. Which of the following platforms is used for Google Ads campaigns? A. Facebook Ads Manager. B. LinkedIn Ads. C. Google Ads Dashboard. And D. Instagram Insights. Answer: Google Ads Dashboard. Question 8. Which metric determines how much an advertiser pays for a single ad click? A. Cost per mailer, CPM. B. Cost per click, CPC. C. Return on investment, ROI. And D. Customer lifetime value, CLV. Answer: cost per click, CPC. Question 9. What is remarketing in digital advertising? A. Creating a new website for a brand. B. Posting organic content on social media. C. Running a one-time marketing campaign. And D. Showing ads to users who have previously interacted with a brand. Answer: showing ads to users who have previously interacted with a brand. Question 10. Which of the following is a key advantage of SM? A. Immediate visibility on search engines. B. Completely free to use. C. Does not require keyword research. And D. Generates organic traffic only. Answer: immediate visibility on search engines. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. Which of the following platforms is best for B2B marketing? A. Instagram, B. LinkedIn, C. Snapchat, and D. TikTok. Answer: LinkedIn. Question 12. What is a common goal of social media marketing? A. Only increasing followers. B. Avoiding paid promotions. C. Driving engagement, leads and brand awareness. And D. Posting random content without strategy. Answer: driving engagement, leads and brand awareness. Question 13. Which metric measures how many times a social media post is displayed? A. Click-through rate, CTR, B. Cost per click, CPC, C. Engagement rate, and D. Impressions. Answer: impressions. Question 14. What does organic reach mean in social media? A. The number of people who see your paid ad. B. The number of new followers gained in a month. C. The number of people who see your content without paid promotion. And D. The number of paid subscribers to a page. Answer: the number of people who see your content without paid promotion. Question 15. Which type of content tends to perform best on social media? A. Engaging videos and images. B. Long PDFs. C. Plain text posts. And D. Only hashtags without any captions. Answer: engaging videos and images. Question 16. Which tool is commonly used for scheduling social media posts? A. Google Analytics, B. Canva, C. Hootsuite, and D. Google Ads. Answer: Hootsuite. Question 17. What is social media engagement? A. Only the number of followers a brand has. B. Interactions such as likes, comments, and shares. C. The amount of money spent on paid ads. And D. Posting frequency on social media. Answer: interactions such as likes, comments, and shares. Question 18. Which social media platform is known for short-form video content? A. LinkedIn, B. Pinterest, C. Twitter, and D. TikTok. Answer: TikTok. Question 19. What does a social media influencer do? A. Writes SEO articles for a website. B. Promotes brands to their audience through content. C. Runs Google Ads campaigns. And D. Manages email marketing automation. Answer: promotes brands to their audience through content. Question 20. Which type of ad campaign is best for driving website traffic? A. Traffic campaign. B. Engagement campaign. C. Brand awareness campaign. And D. Video views campaign. domain? How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.